Bonnie. I am back. Happy Thursday. I am also back with BoxyCharm. Check it out. So I quit BoxyCharm, I want to say like last March. And then I just decided to re-enroll in January. And as we all know, the subscription box industry has gotten huge. It used to be like you did $10 at Ipsy. Now it's like there's the Luxe, there's the Premium, there's the Deluxe, there's all different levels. So I actually love BoxyCharm. I decided to go with the base box, which is $25 a month. I find that to be a reasonable price to be able to try stuff out. I prefer the makeup products a little bit more. I am addicted to the Avon skincare, which I use. I have a routine. So any skincare I get, I either just kind of try it out if it's something different, or I usually gift that to friends or family if I don't use it. So nothing goes to waste in the beauty box. And I feel like for $25, I'm getting a lot of product that I can share. So it's worth it for me. And like I said, I love sharing them. It's really fun to show you guys what's in these boxes each month. I was getting the Premium for a while. I think the Premium set me over the edge because I felt like that was a lot of money. You have to pay an extra $35 a month for Premium. And I just had too much product. I'm like, oh my goodness, this is a lot of product. So that's why I kind of prefer the base. I do get the Luxe, which for an additional $24.99 every 3 months, you get that big, giant Luxe box, which I love. Oh my goodness, I've gotten some really good stuff in the Luxe box. So I decided to try this for a while. I just got the January box, and I want to show you what I got. I'm actually pretty excited about one of the products in this box. It's making me happy. So each month, BoxyCharm gives you this card. This one is called Fresh Start, with all of the products that you can get. So I'm going to save the best for last. I'm going to set it aside. This was a really nice box in terms of the cost of the product. So we have a lot of really high-end products. I'm just going to go over these. I'm going to take the most expensive product first. Oh my goodness! Check this out. I'm like, so this is the Avant Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. And it's a $90 value. I'm like, did I read that right? I'm like, who would pay $90 for this stuff? I might try this just to figure out what this stuff is. It says it's infused with replenishing ingredients, an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve. So it's a makeup remover, basically. But I'm like, $90 for a makeup remover? Holy moly. That seems really, really, like, is that really the retail cost? Are people really paying $90 for a makeup remover? I must be out of touch. So anyway, I got that. I think I'm going to try this out, though. Let me see. Is this not sealed? Oh, it's not sealed. That's really odd, because I would think this would be sealed only because of the leakage in the mail. Ugh. It doesn't have, like, a scent or anything. This feels like a makeup remover. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to try this. I also got a gift for re-upping. I'm going to show you that in a minute. I also got the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. That's kind of exciting. This feels like a different product to me. This is a $25 product, and it's got shea butter, apricot. So is this basically is this a lip balm or is it a lip mask? That's the question. Let me look at this. I think I'm going to keep this one. I may not be gifting too much out. Oh, okay. So it's a glow lip mask. That's kind of interesting. Now, is this sealed? Let me see. Okay, this one is sealed. I'm actually not even going to open that. I might gift this off. Since this is basically a lip product, I personally would not pay $25 for a lip mask, but I don't know. Kind of interesting. That's why I like getting the box. It's kind of interesting to see all this high-end makeup stuff. Next up, we have, I'm definitely gifting this, you guys. This is the Queen Studio Dragon Duo It is $28 value. It is an eyeliner, black eyeliner. I know exactly who I'm going to give this to. I have someone who loves these black eyeliners. I, for some reason, just make a mess with these black eyeliners. I cannot do fancy eyeliner. I'm too old, I swear. My eyes are just not designed for these. I think this looks beautiful when people can do these really nice looks with the eyeliner, but I just feel like I just make a mess and I look like I have two black eyes. So this is a cool product though. So I got that. And then I got, actually, I'm kind of interested in this. I think I'm keeping this one. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. $38 value, cruelty-free, hyaluronic acid. It's known to help clear pores and reduce shine. Actually, I think my daughter might even be interested in this one. I'm going to open this one up because I'm keeping it. Let me see. I like their products. Check this out. Daily Greens. Let me see what this is. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, that smells really good too. Oh, it smells botanical. It definitely smells nice. I'm going to try this. Like I said, I like trying new products, and like I said, my daughter might be really interested in this because it's oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya. That's pretty cool. Okay, I like that. So, best for last, I love it when I get a palette. So this is the Violet Voss. It's Olive You Forever Eyeshadow Palette, $34 value. I really like the Violet Voss eyeshadows. I think they're really quality. They're like super soft. I've gotten a couple Violet Voss palettes over the years. This one has such unique shades. I'm not sure if I can wear these shades, but darn it, I'm going to find out. I have green eyes, which is a little unusual. They're kind of dark green, and I don't know if I can wear, usually like if I wear like a light green or like a blue eyeshadow, it doesn't work with me. But I'm kind of curious about like these olive shades. I don't think I've ever owned like an olive eyeshadow. These are super pigmented. Look at that. That's what I like about Violet Voss. They're really nice and pigmented, and I prefer metallics. If anything, I will definitely wear this one. Check that out, that like brown. I love the different brown eyeshadows. So this, to me, is a really nice palette. It's got a lot of versatility in it, and I'm kind of interested in these olive shades. So that was worth it for the $25 right there. I always feel like if I find one product in a box that's above the price that I paid, it's a total win. So this was an absolute win for me for the Violet Voss palette. And then I got, when I re-upped at BoxyCharm, they gave me a gift. They gave me the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This is kind of cute. Let me show you what this looks like. Super cute colors there. So it's kind of nice to get a gift when you come back from BoxyCharm. So overall, I'm going to call this box a win. I mean, there's like, what? Let's see, 90, 150, over $200 worth of product in here. But it only matters if you use it. That's the thing with the beauty box. Like if you get 5 things that you're never going to use, it's not worth the $25. You'd probably be better off spending the $25 somewhere else. But like I said, being a YouTuber especially, I like to get different boxes so you can kind of get an idea of what you're going to get. That way you can decide if you want to try the box. But like I said, the big thing in this box was definitely the palette. I'm super happy with this. So let me know what you think of BoxyCharm. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.